Hi, guys. So, I have a bit of a mission for you. Today, we're going to travel back in time about 30 or 40 years. People wore their hair like this, and they popped their collars like this, and they wore big glasses like this. So, we're going to study inflation. And that means we're going to be looking at how the prices have increased in the last 30 or 40 years. They've gotten a lot higher. So here's what you're going to do. On each page of our slides, there's going to be a different fast food restaurant featured. These fast food restaurants are the ones that you guys mentioned while we were all getting to know each other. So I think you're going to enjoy that. On each page, there's going to be a commercial from the 70s, 80s, or 90s. So watch for those funny styles and haircuts and everything. I think you'll enjoy that. And in these commercials, they're going to mention a price. So listen really close. And as soon as you hear that price, write it down because you're going to need it later. Okay. And then when you're done watching the commercial and you have your special price from the 70s, 80s, or 90s, I'm going to give you a menu from that same restaurant, but the menu is from today. And that's all you're going to have is the original price from the 70s, 80s, or 90s. And then you're going to just have that much money to spend with the menu from today. You're going to find that you probably can't buy the same amount of food that you could in the 70s, 80s, or 90s with that money. So that's going to be your challenge. I want you to buy as many things as you can and get as close to that price as you can without going over the price. Okay? So there's going to be some addition involved and some estimation perhaps. So we're going to use our math skills. Please feel free to use a calculator. That's not a problem at all. We're going to want to add all the prices up and see how close we can get to that total amount from 30 or 40 years ago. Okay? So if that sounds like a lot of information, don't worry. On the next slide, I'm going to do an example for you. And I think that you're going to find my commercial kind of interesting. Let's see if you recognize the person that's in my commercial. I think you probably will. Okay, I hope you have fun with this, guys.